Afternoon YouTube. It's been a while. A little bit of a fabrication project today. I'm making some braces for these wooden sideboards. I've got one just tacked up there, little piece on the bottom to stop it going through, and just to stop the sides bending, and just drop in bits of angle iron. I've got other one to put on at the other side. That's what I'm fastening onto the side of the trailer, and you just slot your angle iron in, stops the sides bending out. It's a trailer we've had a long while. Me and my dad rebuilt it, or built a new body for it, I don't know, probably more like 8 years ago. And yeah, I think sideboards are just getting a little bit weak. They just tend to bend quite a bit. So I've got that one tacked on. I'll just get it welded up. So that's that welded up. Not too scabby. I'm using 6013 3.2mm rods and my little inverter. It's a Clark AT165. It's a bit of a different animal to the old buzzer box that I used to have. Yeah, it does a good job. That should be strong enough. There's a few inches of decent enough weld there, and yeah, I'll get the other side rigged up and film that as well. So all I've got for holding them on while I get them tacked is a magnet. Okay, I guess you would probably call it a welder's magnet. It'll be a little bit weak for that, but I can have it used in one hand. I just can't hold the entire weight of it in one hand, and I've got something rarely seen around these parts, a set square. I do want it to look right. Looks near enough to me. Right, we'll get this one tacked up. See if I can find somewhere to get my earphone. Get this tacked up, weld it up properly, and then all I've got to do is grind the other piece of angle iron down so it fits down the back of it. Snug but not slack. the only problem I find with them welder's magnets, at least in my experience, is they tend to pull the weld metal, if you would, all over the place, and it ends up sort of coming out of the puddle and just dropping off. Makes it quite difficult to tack things. But I suppose all a tack is just to hold it while you get it done up proper. Right, that's both sides welded on, not too scabby, a little bit of rough edge here and there on this one, and then around at the other side. Got that one welded on, going from anywhere, my welding, anywhere from that quality there, which I'm quite happy with, to say it's vertical, to redoing it 3 times, grinding it off and still wobbling about all over the place, but hey ho, I think it's glued it to it. So now all I've got to do is grind down my 2 uprights that run up the trailer so that they slot into there fairly tight, but so you can slot them in and out, and then that's sorted. So all I'm doing is, that's the original angle iron I've marked, 6 inches along, which is how deep they sit into them recesses, and all I'm taking off is that sort of top spike and grinding those 2 sides down nice and flat so that they slot in down the back and sit flush. Yeah, all I've got to do is that on that other side and we're right. Right, we'll see if that fits. So I've just ground that piece off, ground those edges down. We'll see if it fits. Hey, that's not too tight. Looks somewhat straight, and of course when you fill the trailer up and you're pulling out sideboards, is all stuff. You should press on them and stop them bending so much. So we fit at that side, we'll check we fit at the other side. Look at that. You're almost professional. Right, I've got them finished. They're roughly painted. Sticks out a little bit down the side because it's not red, but it doesn't matter for now. And you know how them good ideas are always had 5 minutes after you've finished what you were doing? I've just thought of it, and what I should have done really is welded a flat piece of steel in the back of here to hold the leg a little bit more rigid. But live and learn, and it's too late now. They're not bad, there's only a ½ inch of movement at the top of the leg, which is good enough for me, and of course sideboards can't go anywhere. I've had hold of them in one hand and, you know, like pulled on them and what have you, and it bends this piece of angle iron before anything else, so it will do for now. If it falls off, I'll make it better. But yeah, I could even put a gusset from here to this piece here, because there's a cross member here that runs across the trailer that's steel, but we'll see how they hold up for now. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you when I see you.